In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Squarespace website quickly and efficiently. Whether you're adding new content or simply refreshing the design, keeping your website updated ensures you're providing the most current and relevant information to your visitors. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the official Squarespace website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Squarespace. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your personal dashboard, which is essentially the command center for all your Squarespace interactions. Next, from your dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Carefully select the specific site that you wish to update. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. This is an important step, especially if you manage several sites, as each might have different content and design requirements. Now that you've selected your site, it's time to get into editing mode. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Edit button. Click on it to enter the site editor. This mode allows you to make changes to your website's design and content. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a variety of customization options at your disposal. Take a moment to plan out your updates. Are you incorporating customer feedback or updating an outdated section? Whatever the case may be, ensure that your changes align with your website's overall aim and aesthetic. As you make your edits, consider the user experience. Think about how each change will affect your visitors. Intuitive navigation and clear, concise information are crucial for keeping users engaged. After you've made all your adjustments, take a moment to review everything thoroughly. Check that all your links work, your new content displays correctly, and your design looks harmonious. Once you're satisfied with the updates, you'll want to make sure these changes go live. To do this, find the Save button, which is usually in a prominent position on the editing interface. Click on it to publish the changes you've made. This simple action ensures that all your recent updates are visible to your site visitors, keeping your online presence fresh and relevant. Updating your Squarespace site is an ongoing process. Regularly check back to make adjustments as needed based on evolving user needs and business goals. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to update your Squarespace website in just a few minutes. With each update, you're not only enhancing the functionality and appearance of your site, but also improving the overall experience for your visitors. Keep practicing, and soon, managing your website will become second nature.